To all my dear students, hope you are safe. Dear students, I can feel from your face you are very lazy today. What happened, children? Because you want to sleep. Why? Today is very rainy day, right? That's why you want to sleep. Why, children, today is rainy, but yesterday was very sunny day? How it happening? How it happening, children? Why it is changing? These all the things we can learn from our new chapter, that is lesson 7, weather, climate and adaptation of animals to the climate. Okay, so we are going to learn what is weather, okay, and what is climate. These things we can learn in this section, and about adaptation of animals to the climate we can study later. Okay, so all should have to listen. Weather is a day-to-day condition of an atmosphere. Weather is what, children? It is a day-to-day condition of atmosphere. Okay, day-to-day condition of atmosphere. And we can say many elements or many factors that are affecting the weather. It may be humidity, it may be rainfall, like that, temperature, like that. So weather is a day-to-day condition of an atmosphere, and also it has very short period of time. Why it is very short period of time, children? Maybe I already informed that yesterday was very sunny, but today is very rainy. Like that, it may be affecting, it may be changing hour to hour, day to day, week to week. That is weather. Many activities we are conducting based on the weather. Maybe like marriage function or something party, like that. We are checking the, maybe it is sunny or hot, like that. We are checking that weather condition. And also the flight chart, maybe like that we are saying today's flight is very delayed because of weather is not good, like that. So these all the things based on the weather, it is a short period of time. Okay, next we can check what about climate. So climate is average weather condition taken over a long period of time, that we call climate, and it may be like the 25 to 30 years average weather condition taken over a long period of time, that is climate. Clear? And it is a very long period of time, but weather is short period. Climate is long period of time. Suppose when we are taking example of Rajasthan, most of the time climate is very hot. Climate is very hot. Okay, and very high temperature, very hot. What about Kerala, children? Here temperature, high temperature and high rainfall is there. So hot and humid climate in Kerala. High temperature and high rainfall. Right. So these are all the things about weather and climate. Clear, all of you? Dear children, just look on the screen. You can see the weather report of New Delhi and Pune. Right. Like this, you have to do one activity in your notebook. That is, cut out the weather report of the last week from any newspaper. You have to do the Kerala's weather report. Okay, cut out weather report of last week from any newspaper, and if you don't get the newspaper, you can collect it from your friends, whatever it is, and you can copy that weather report. You can write in your notebook that weather report, and it is do like an activity. That is, in weather report, sunrise, sunset, chances of rain, humidity, wind, precipitation and pressure, these also will come. These all about the factors of weather. All should have to do as like activity. Today's topic question for you. What is the card I wrote on the board? Check the card and say the answer. So students, now we discussed about the main differences between weather and climate. Right, and now we can understand from the activity, we can understand what is the main differences between weather and climate. So all should have to do that activity, then only we can clear it. Okay, and no need to go outside for getting the activity. You should take from copy from the Google or whatever it is, last week weather condition, you can copy and do it. Okay, and do it in notebook neatly, write all the reports. And one more thing, student, next class we will learn about special characters of animals which are living in polar and terrestrial region. So from that we can understand what all are the weather which affecting their adaptation or their special characters in that area. And In next class, we will learn about how animals are adapted to the condition of climate. This we will learn in our next class. So, we can meet in our next class. Thank you.